Good afternoon, everyone. Alhamdulillah, we can meet again at this international conference. So, let me introduce our team. Our team consists of four postgraduate students of Magister Management University of Pamulang. Here we are. First, our team leader, Mr. Nico Andriono. Second, Mrs. Sumbalatun. Third, me, Asmai Fadati. Fourth, Mr. Muhammad Firdaus, and fifth, our beloved lecturer, Mr. Sugianto. At this moment, we will present about the effect of psychological capital and budget participation on procedural justice that impact on managerial performance. Here we are.
Mrs. Asma Ifadati, let's begin our presentation about the effect of psychological capital and budget participation on procedural justice that impact on managerial performance. In the modern era, like now, the budget can be used as a guideline for carrying out organizational activities in order to achieve goals. Budget is an effective tool for planning and controlling the activities of an organization. However, the good or bad process of a budget will have an impact on performance in an organization. Obat Journal Timeline is introduction, literature review, research methods, hypothesis testing, and conclusion. Journal introduction. As a public sector organization, local governments are required to have performance that is oriented to the interests of the community and encourage the government to always be responsive to its environment by trying to provide the best service in a transparent and quality manner, as well as having a good division of tasks within the government. Public sector performance is largely influenced by apparatus or managerial performance. Many factors can influence SKPD managerial performance, including the accuracy of budget preparation, schedule, including the accuracy of budget preparation schedules, clarity of budget targets, internal control, leadership style, and decentralization structures. Keynes explained that the budget is a management tool in controlling, coordinating, communicating, evaluating performance, and motivation. In order for budget execution to run effectively, budget preparation and implementation must pay attention to five dimensions of budgetary goal characteristics, namely budgetary participation, budget goal clarity, budgetary feedback, budgetary evaluation, budget goal difficulty. Budgets also help with communication and coordination. Budgets formally communicate organizational plans to each employee, so all employees can realize their role in achieving these goals. The role of communication and coordination becomes increasingly important as the size of the organization increases. Planning is only half the battle. Once a plan has been created, the plan must be implemented, and managers and workers must monitor its implementation to ensure the plan is working as intended. Thank you for your attention, and next my partner, Mr. Nico, will explain the next topic about literature review. Thank you.
Literature review. Human resource management. Human resource management is a science and art that regulates the relationship and role of the workforce so that it is effective and efficient in helping the company achieve its goals. Management that regulates the human element is often called personnel management or personnel management, which it is applied to a company to achieve the desired goals. Managerial performance. According to Sastro Hadiwiryo 20 and 2, managerial performance can be interpreted as the performance of managers in activities which include planning, investigation, coordination, evaluation, supervision, staffing, and representation or representative in their organizational environment. Budgetary participation. According to Sumarno in 20, budget participation is the level of individual involvement and influence in budgeting. Meanwhile, Bonardi and Ranga 20 and 6 state that budget participation is a process in which budgetary subordinates or executors are given the opportunity to be involved and have influence in the budgeting process. The opportunity given is believed to increase control and a sense of involvement among subordinate or budget implementers. Procedural justice. The perceived fairness in order to determine the amount of employee compensation received. It includes perception employees of equity process all aspects of the organization that are used by their superior to evaluate their performance as a means to communicate performance feedback and to determine rewards from them, such a promotion or salary increase. Psychological capital. According to Luton et al. 2007, psychological capital is a state of positive individual psychological development, which consists of self-efficacy, belief self-efficacy defined as an individual's belief about his ability to mobilize motivation, cognitive resources, and courses of action necessary to succeed in carrying out certain tasks and in certain contexts. Optimism. Optimism is a model of thinking in which individuals attribute positive events to themselves, are permanent, and the causes are pervasive, and on the other hand interpret negative events to external aspects are temporary and are factors caused by certain situations. Hope. Hope means forming, creating, and igniting a path that we can make hope and can hold tightly as a clear direction. Although there are conceptual similarities between hope and self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is a person's belief or ability to do a task, while hope is motivation a person to put in effort and plan a path to success. Resilient. Resilient is a psychological capacity of a person who is positive by avoiding unkindness, uncertainty, conflict, failure, so as to create positive change, progress, and increase responsibility.
Okay, thank you Mr. Nico. Next, let me Firdaus to continue this presentation and I will explain about research method. Research method used in the study in the associated quantitative statistical method, which emphasizes the analysis of numerical data processed by statistical method, while the form of the hypothesis formulation used descriptive hypothesis formulation. The descriptive hypothesis is an assumption about the value of an independent variable and does not make comparison or relationship. Analysis design and hypothesis data quality test, validity test, and validity test is used to determine whether the research instrument used meets the requirement in terms of validity or validity. You can see the formula in the screen. This formula explains the technique for measuring the validity of the questionnaire is to calculate the correlation between the data in each statement with a total score using the product moment correlation formula as follows. Next, reliability test. After determining the validity of the research instrument, the next step is to measure the reliability of its data from the research instrument. Reliability is a measuring tool for measuring a questionnaire, which is an indicator of variable or construct. This reliability test is used to test the consistency of data within certain period of time, namely to find out how far the measurement used can be trusted or relied on. These variables are said to have a Cronbach alpha value greater than 0.70, which means that the instrument can be used as a reliable data collector. That is, the result of measurement are relatively coefficient if repeat measurements are made. This reliability test aims to see consistency. And next, classic assumption test. Normality test. The normality test is used to test whether in a regression model the independent variable and the dependent variable have a normal data distribution or not. In the opinion expressed by Ghazali, a good regression model is normally distributed or close to normal. Multicollinearity test. The multicollinearity test aims to test whether the regression model found correlation between independent variables. A good regression model should not find a correlation between the independent variables. If the independent variables are correlated, then these variables are not orthogonal. Orthogonal variables are independent variables whose correlation value among independent variables are equal to 0. Next, heteroscedasticity test. The heteroscedasticity test aims to test whether in a regression model there is a unique variance of the residual from one observation to another. If the variance of the residual from one observation to another remains, then it is called homoscedasticity, and if the variants are different, it is called heteroscedasticity. And then hypothesis testing, t-test or partial test. The t-test aims to determine the effect of the independent variable on the dependent variable partially, to find out whether there is a significant influence from each independent variable, namely career development, occupational safety and health, compensation for one dependent variable, namely job satisfaction and employee performance, the significant value of each compared to the degree of confidence. Next, F-test or Sultanous test. The F-test was carried out with the aim of testing all independent variables, namely career development, occupational safety and health, and compensation on one dependent variable, namely job satisfaction, independently with a significance of 0.05. It can be concluded. And then determination conviction test. The coefficient of determination aims to measure how far the ability of the model can explain the variance in the dependent variable. In testing the first hypothesis, the coefficient of determination is seen from the value to find out how much the dependent variable contribute to the dependent variable. Thank you for attention. This explain about research method, and next my friend can explain this topic. Thank you.
Okay, for the last, it's about conclusion. Based on the t-test, psychological capital has a t-value with a significance value. This shows that each one is rejected, so that each zero is accepted. The result of this study indicate that psychological capital has no significant effects on procedural justice. Based on the budget participation t-test, it has a calculated with a significance value. This shows that each 2 is supported, so that hypothesis 2 is accepted. The result of this study indicate that budgetary participation has a significant effect on procedural justice. Based on the F-test, psychological capital and budget participation have a simultaneous effect on procedural justice. The result of the F statistical test show that the calculated F value with a significance value. They show that H3 is supported so that hypothesis 3 is accepted. The result of this study show that psychological capital and budgetary participation have a simultaneous effect on procedural justice. Based on the psychological capital F test, it has a T count value with a significance value. They show that H4 is supported so that hypothesis 4 is accepted. The result of this study indicate that psychological capital has a significant effects on managerial policy. Based on the t-test, psychological capital has a t-count value with a significance value. They show that H4 is supported so that hypothesis 4 is accepted. The result of this study indicate that psychological capital has a significant effect on managerial policy. Based on the psychological capital F test, budgetary participation and procedural justice has a calculated F value with a significance value. They show that H6 is supported so that hypothesis 6 is accepted. The result of this study indicate that psychological capital, budgetary participation, and procedural justice have a simultaneous effect on managerial performance. Based on the procedural justice t-test, it has a t-count value with a significance value. This show that H7 is supported so that hypothesis 7 is accepted. The result of this study indicate that procedural justice has a significant effect on managerial performance. That's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Hopefully we can take many information and insight for improve our knowledge of management study. See you at the next subject. Stay safe, keep healthy everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.